Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Tuesday, the 16th of December. I'm starting off with LGO Energy, where there's been a decent bear trap rebound from below the October support at 3 pence, below the 200-day moving average at 3.04 pence, and also above the old gap to the upside, which remains unfilled from the beginning of June. View now is that while there's no end of day close back below 3 pence, we would be looking for further gains to the upside. The initial target, 50-day moving average at 4.19 pence, and then after that, over the next 4 to 6 weeks, probably 5 pence plus, which is the old October resistance area. Next up is Touchstone Gold, where there's been a decent flick to the upside here. Looks encouraging after the extended base that we've seen at or just below the 0.4 pence level. Typically, you see a final clean out before a decent rally, and this is what we saw at the beginning of November here with this counter move, false breakdown. Now we're sort of tussling with the 50-day and 200-day moving averages here, which are actually giving a dead cross, but the shares are trying to break through that with a break of the RSI through neutral 50 as well. View now is probably that we get a retest of this old October resistance through 0.65, 0.7 pence initially, and then probably progress within a rising trend channel of that sort of description there over the next month or so, taking us to 0.7 or 0.8 after that. Finally, we've got Ultrasis, where the shares look to be reasonably poised, or well poised, after also a final bear trap here below 0.1 pence. This broke temporarily that old low of October, and there was also an exhaustion gap to the downside. What's helpful here is that you've got this 50-day moving average of 0.144 pence, which is a decent end of day close stop loss level as we look for further upside. And we also have this bounce off the neutral 50 level in the RSI window as well, with the RSI currently at 59, so not looking overcooked even after recent gains. Initial target here, the bottom of the October gap at 0.4 pence, which could be hit over the next month or so. That's it from me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.